It's been a dang long time since I've made a video on this channel. Mostly because I couldn't be asked. And I made content on my other channel, which I will link down below. But I do want to start making content again. And I don't only want to play games, and there's something else I want to do. I want to make games, but I've always been making games. I've been making games on Scratch since 3-4 years ago, which really cool. In fact, I'm going to start off this video by showing you some of them. This is my Scratch profile. Now I actually haven't made games on Scratch specifically for about a year, and they're really not great. Yeah, I don't want to talk about these, although my best achievement was remaking Subnautica in 2D, but it's also not the best, so we're not going to talk about it. Because then we have my itch profile. This is my itch profile. It's pretty simple, pretty basic, and I made the background myself. It's beautiful. And it has 6 games as of right now. It has this game, that game, this game, whatever. All these 3 games and the one in the middle were made for a game jam. This game right here won me $200. The best game I've ever made. But you know, this one's also. I won't actually play any of the games. I'll put my itch in the description. But yeah, I want to start making games in Godot rather than TurboWarp or Scratch. And I've spent the last 2 days just watching random YouTube videos on how to code, how to do things. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna record it so that I have content. I need more content. So we're gonna create a new game, and it's just gonna be a test game, just to make sure I know how to make games. And once I know how to make games, I'll probably not make videos of me making the games, so that you guys can't copy my games. Yeah, it's pretty simple. This game is gonna be called Grass. There we go. Create. Oh, it's gone. Never mind. It's back. Oh boy. No, bro. No, I don't. No, bro. No. Anyway, we're gonna be making a 2D game because I can't be asked to make 3D models. They are a pain. I never want to do 3D models in my life. Don't make me do 3D models ever again. I made a tree and it was the shittiest tree in human history. But anyway, 2DC. Main. I'm gonna start by doing what I think are the basics, because a lot of people do these. Scripts, assets. That's about it. And in my assets, I'm actually gonna drag this over here, and I'm gonna put this, which I got on itch as well, which I'll also put in the description. Now I should have all of that, which is great, because now I'm gonna make a node called tile set. Oh boy. Tile map. Oh boy. And then within this, no, not that one. Tile set. Amazing. Then if we go to tile set, down here, I should. Where the hell am I getting? Whatever. I should be able to grab, let's say, the forest one and put that there. Sure. Oh my days. I have gone and done it. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do a tile map layer, which you should be using that tile set, which I need to save. Save as tile set. Then you are going to load tile set. So that uses the exact same tile set as the tile map. Now I'm going to physics layers, add element. Now that probably means you also have a physics layer, which is good. Which means I can go to tile set and paint physics layers. Yes. So I'm going to quickly do that. No, bro, get the hell out of the way. So that's the collisions for that island. Now I'm actually gonna, this is water, this is the water layer. If I go to tile map, I should be able to select something like this, grab the square, and make water. That is beautiful. Now if I do add another tile map layer and use you should also have that data, which is good, You're gonna be lower land. But before we do that, I'm going to add animation to this. Select. It should be somewhere here. It should. Oh fuck me, bro. Okay, animation. There's gonna be 4 columns because there's 4 frames. They're separated by 4 tiles. And the speed, I'll set it to 3. Oh, but I need to do this. Okay. Alright, now I can go back here, go to you, and if I go to frames, we can add an element, add another element, and add another element. That will be animated now. That's really cool. Anyway, now I need to do that for all other ones. So you 4, 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. And this one should be the last one, if I'm not mistaken. And then do element, add element. That is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Now I'm going to do something else that I know of, which would be terrain sets. Match corners and sides. Now if I go to add, if I go here, I should be able to go to terrains and terrain set 0. And I should be able to select all of you. There we go, okay. I don't want to change the color, thank you. This will be grass, water. I can do grass, water. Then I do that. Then I do that. Then I do this, do this, do this, do this, do that, do this, and do this. So what that lets me do is if I go to lower land, tile map, if I go to terrain, oh, why is that not here? Why is that not here? I mean, it works over here. You can even see the animations. And I forgot to do something. I need to do these. And once I do these, it will look even better. Now I'm gonna delete all of that real quick so I can go to lower land, terrains, this, and I can just paint an island and it will do all the edges for me and it looks beautiful. And look, it even has the animations. Oh my days, I'm literally the best. I'm literally the best. I'm actually so good. Oh, but we do need to fill this up so that it doesn't break itself. Oh my god. There's a big island. I did that in how long? Five? I did that in like 10 minutes. Like, that's insane. I'm actually so goated. I'm so goated. This is amazing. And that should all have hitboxes as well. If I do visibility, or if I go here, visibility, is it here? Boy. Not you. Although I do need to destroy all that. Because you shouldn't have any tiles. But you should. I go to physics, force show, we can see all of these things except for the corner ones. I didn't actually put the hitboxes for the corner ones. I'm gonna quickly do that. Okay, there we go. So that's all the hitboxes. So when I end up making a player, which I'll probably do today, I can make it hit the hitboxes. Whoa, that's really cool. Anyway, let's continue. So that is that. I'm going to also make another terrain. Terrain. If you know what that is, then good. Absolutely. Where the hell is the terrain? Am I stupid? I think I'm stupid. There we go. You don't. Yeah, you do. I'm gonna add another terrain. I'm gonna call it grass. And if I go to tile set, panels, select, no paint, terrains, I'm going to paint grass on grass, and I'm going to do on this is now when I paint grass, it will make actually, tile map layer, except I will put you there and put you down there. This will be middle land, and you will use that tile set, or not. You use that tile set. Terrains, grass on grass, and that will make the most cursed thing I've seen in my life. What the hell? What is going on? That's what's going on. Yes, if I did a tile map and completely destroy all of you, and go back to terrain and paint it, look at that. I should probably add that tile set. No, not you. You. And that will add the corners to what I needed to add the corners to. And ladies and gentlemen, I am the best. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Have you seen what I've just done? This is insane. I've just added more land. I'm insane. I'm the GOAT, and that's it. I'm just the GOAT. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly add hitboxes to all of this. Okay, I've added the hitboxes to the second layer. These little part things I'm not going to do yet. I'll do that later. But for now, I'm actually gonna show you, because right now this is very blurry. To change that, we just go to textures and change linear to nearest. And when we close that, everything goes sharp again. But anyway, we can actually hide all that. And we have an island. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an island. Do you see how beautiful this is? Oh my days. 30 minutes of content for an island. Oh boy. Let's get going. I'm going to make a new scene. And I'm going to save you as main. And save you in there. Here we're going to do a character body 2D. I think we need to do a character body 2D. And we have to zoom in here. I don't actually have a player thing, do I? No, I don't. I will go find one. Not right now. I'll go find one. That's interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I'm going to use this character, of which I will put this in the description as well, so that you guys can use it. So like that in there. Anyway, you need a sprite, an animated sprite 2D, and a collision shape 2D. First, we will start with the animated sprite, which will use sprite frames, open new. Then I think if I open new character, oh, there's two characters. That's not how you do it. Wait, I got this. Trust me. No. Okay, I see. I'm starting to get it. Can we delete you? Yes, we can. Default. horizontally, there's one vertically, and then there's 5. And then there's 6. And 6 frames. All my days I've done it. Now I'm gonna do that at 7 frames per second, and it's already looping. It's actually a bit fast. I'll keep it at 5. Look, we have an animated character. This is idle forward or idle down. Then I'm going to do a new animation using idle right. So these are the idle and running animations. Now I do need to add a collision shape. It'll just be a rectangle. And I'm gonna, because this is a 2.5 dimensional game, technically this head goes up a little bit higher. So I'm going to make that the collision. That will be the collision. Okay. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's amazing. Now, before anything, I'm going to go back to project settings and add inputs. I'm going to go up, down, left, right, W, S, A, D, but I can also up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So now I have my own inputs for the game. This layer. Anyway, now I need to use my brain and figure out this. I will want to put it there, put it there. I will keep the basic thing. Okay. Now I know that I need to drag you. I need to drag you into there so that I can talk to it. I'm deleting the jump velocity because there's no jumping. Which means I can delete you as well. I don't need jumping. Okay. This is going to be a pain in my bum. Oh boy. I might have to go watch a video or something. Okay, so after a YouTube video and ChatGPT, I have discovered this, and it's entirely ChatGPT generated. Oh boy. But yeah, I get it. I totally get it. I did change the speed there because it was a bit fast. If I do open this up and then make it smaller, because I don't like how big it is. Can I make it smaller, please? And look, he moves. He moves with WASD. This is beautiful. It works. This is amazing. Now I need to add animation to that. Oh my days. I'm going to keep recording while I figure this out. Oh, now this should work, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. Doesn't seem to work. Let's give it a shot. Oh boy. It in fact doesn't work. Why not? Why not? Why not? It should be playing these. Oh my days. I see. Okay. I know exactly what's wrong. I know what's wrong. Instead of it being underscore, it's to be a dash. That's my mistake. Oh my god, it works. She runs. She runs. Oh my god. I'm so good. I'm literally the best. Oh my days. I think I'm done. That might be enough for today. Or I could fix the problem of the camera zooming out, and then we can be done. That I can definitely do myself. I think it should be. It should be this. Obviously, it'll be full screen, right? I think that fixes it. Oh my days. I did it! I'm the best. I'm actually good. Okay. That's enough for today. That is plenty enough for today. That is an hour of recording. Not counting the time where I paused so I could figure out how to code movement. Oh my days, that was... Oh my god, I've done it. I've gone ahead and done it. This is amazing. Yeah, bye.